क्या आप जानते हैं खुद को? क्या आप जानते हैं कि किस तरीके से आप अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में बिहेव करते हैं, वो क्यों करते हैं और कैसे करते हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप एक सिलेक्टिव नंबर ऑफ पीपल पर आंख बंद करके भरोसा करते हैं, पर वहीं आप कुछ और दूसरे लोगों के ऊपर इजीली ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पाते? क्या आप जानते हैं कि कैसे आप एक रूम में एक सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन बने रहते हैं और वहीं दूसरे रूम में आप एक साइड पर्सन बने रहते हैं? क्या आप खुद को जानते हैं? जब से हम लोगों ने अपने अडल्टहुड में एंटर किया है, अपने करियर को सीरियसली लिया है, तब से हमने ये सुना है कि अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को जागरूक करो, अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से बातें करो, उसको जानो, तो यू विल बी द वंडर, यू विल ब्रेक द मैट्रिक्स, यू विल डू दिस, यू विल डू दैट। बट अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को जानने के लिए क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि आपको ये जानना जरूरी है कि आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स और आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या हैं? और आज हम एक सिंपल एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू आप लोगों के सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में झांकने वाले हैं। इस टेस्ट का नाम है HTP पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट। H फॉर हाउस, T फॉर ट्री, P फॉर पर्सन। This test is a worldwide famous psychological test used by psychologists to know a person's personality. They use it during their therapies. They use it for the personality tests of different people. They study different people, and आज हम ये same चीज करने वाले हैं. So on this piece of paper, you have to make a tree, a house, and a person, and it can be as random as making a tree like this. Okay. Yes, I know it looks very irregular and that's how it should be. अपनी इस ड्राइंग को जितना रैंडमली, जितना क्विकली बना सकते हो बनाओ. नो आर्टिस्टिकल स्किल्स नीडेड. बस जितना सिंपल, जितना रैंडम, जितना सडन बना सकते हो बस बनाओ उसको. एंड डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग, जस्ट मेक इट एज रैंडम एज यू कैन. ट्रस्ट मी, इस वीडियो के बाद यू विल नो अ लॉट अबाउट योरसेल्फ थ्रू दीज ड्राइंग्स एंड आई एम डैम श्योर दैट यू गोना फ्रेम देम. बना लिया? चलो, अब हम इन 3 पिक्चर्स के थ्रू ये जानेंगे कि कैसे आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी कैरी करते हो, आपके इमोशनल रिलेशनशिप लोगों के साथ कैसे हैं, आपका खुद का रिलेशनशिप कैसा है आपके साथ, एंड व्हाट चेंजेस यू नीड टू ब्रिंग इन योरसेल्फ एज वेल.
A tree represents mental strength and mindset. So, if your tree is tall, then you are ambitious, confident, growth focused. But if you have drawn a small tree, then you are simple, calm, and you have a grounded personality. If you have drawn deep, visible roots, then you are self aware, emotionally deep, and reflective. If you have no roots, that means you are spontaneous, you live in the moment, and you avoid overthinking. If your trunk is thick, that means you are strong-willed, determined, and mentally strong. But if you have thin trunk, that means you are sensitive, empathetic, and emotionally soft. If your branches are in upward direction, that means you are optimistic, positive thinker, and future oriented. But if you have downward branches, that means you are sensitive, introspective, and deep thinker. And if you have no branches, then you are introverted, private, and not very expressive. If the house you have drawn have big doors, that means you are open-hearted, welcoming, trusts easily, you are social, and you are comfortable in sharing your emotions. And if you have many and big windows, that means you are expressive and open-minded and a good communicator. And if you have large decorated roofs, that means you have strong imagination, you are a dreamer, and you have lots of ideas. And if your walls are thick and strong, that means you are emotionally strong, stable, and a secure personality. But if your house has a small door, that means you are private, selective about people, cautious in relationship, and you value your personal space. And if you have very few or small windows, that means you are reserved, introverted, observes more than you speak, and you are protective of your emotions. If you have a small or plain roof, that means you are practical, realistic, you focus on logic rather than on imagination. And if you have very thin or weak walls, that means you are easily hurt, you are sensitive, you require support and reassurance. If you have drawn a large figure, that means you have strong self-confidence and leadership qualities. If you have a detailed face, that means you are emotionally expressive, self-aware and confident. And if you have strong, straight legs, that means you are stable, grounded and disciplined. And if you have paid attention to the clothes, that means you actually pay attention to your appearance, confident and you are expressive. If you have drawn a small figure, that means you are shy, insecure, introverted and avoids attention. If you have plain face, that means you hide your emotions, private and you avoid showing your vulnerability. And if you have weak legs, that means you are doubtful, unsure and emotionally unstable at times. And if you have simple clothes, that means you are minimalist, practical and a straightforward personality.
So quickly tell me in the comment section which part of your personality surprised you the most. क्या तुम्हें पता लगा कि तुम कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हो उस लेवल से जिस लेवल पे तुम खुद को रखते हो? क्या तुम्हें पता लगा अपनी उस पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनालिटी के बारे में जो तुम हमेशा से देखना चाहते थे? एंड रिमेंबर, there is no good and bad personality. It's always about the awareness. Your awareness about yourself will help you in building a better person inside you. So accept what you are and change what you can change to make yourself feel a little bit better about yourself. अगर मेरी ये मेहनत आपको थोड़ी सी भी अच्छी लगी, दिल को छुई, आपको हेल्प किया, then please hit the like button. Do write in the comments what you want and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me in this beautiful journey. Till then, take care. Love you.